This spot's gonna change here soon. It don't take but a few people to irresponsibly use their platform, you know. My word of advice to anybody that watches, respect the waterways, take care of the fish. If you are fishing for food and not sport, you know, more power to you. I respect it. You gotta do what you gotta do. The guidelines are here for a reason. And I don't mean to sound like a bootlicker, because, you know, I ain't with that at all. Just take care of the fish around here, you know. We see spots get blown up all the time. Fish get smaller and smaller, lesser and lesser, and then next thing you know, all you got is a place for people to dump tires in, right? There's nothing wrong with fishing for sport or fishing for food. Both can exist. Everybody just has to be responsible. There's no reason why there should be a million Busch Light cans along the bank, right? That's not the case here, but that's how it turns out. Empty worm cups everywhere. Woo! Oh yeah, it's definitely something chasing over there. We just got to the spot. I've been having a lot of luck with this fluke. Water's moving, got a good current. We're only about ankle deep water. We're about 8 inches now. Look at my guy right there. He see fish. What's up, fool? Yeah, this current is pretty good. I see some bait fish come out the water right there. Right on top of it. Oh, I think that was a gar. I just replaced my line. I put on 8-pound fluoro from Seagar. Last time I put Seagar on my other reel, it frayed. I ended up removing the line after about 3 uses. And surprisingly, the last one I think was, I want to say I used the yellow label, right? And that's supposed to be better than the white. There's a ton of gar in this little stretch. Well, really, they all up and down this river up until even the get down to the lake. First smallie. Look at that, man. Swaller that fluke. Look at that. Out he's fishing. Sharp little teeth. That thing was half his size. That's a beautiful baby smallmouth. I appreciate you checking in, big dog. Look at this one. Ooh, you a fast one, ain't you? That's what them kids look like when they try on shoes at Walmart. They take off down the potato chip aisle. Okay, that's a good way to start the day. I've been having tons of luck with the fluke here recently. It's just so versatile, you know. I'm casting it at an angle, so by the time it drifts down, it finds a good place to stop. And then I just pulling it off the bottom, let it drop. Kind of looks like a little shad rummaging, picking up rocks down under there, and then you can burn it back and keep it in the water column. So I like using the 3/16 because it's heavy enough to send it and not just come flying back to you under normal conditions, right? I like to at least start at 3/16, then I'll work my way up or work my way down, you know. But if you're trying to be minimal with your tackle, that's a good place to start. I put it right in the middle of a whirlpool. Oh shit. Hell yeah. I'm sitting here messing with my stuff. I had this damn smallie on this whole time. It's about to come off. Damn mouth ripped in half. There go your mouth. But that wasn't as fun as I wanted it to be. Does that count as me catching a fish? So we want to fish around these trees. A lot of insects fall in the water, and then the bait fish come up and eat the insects, and then the big fish eat the bait fish. So that's kind of the thought process of it. The more stuff in the water, more place for the fish to kind of take cover and hide at when they feel scared or when they get hot, you know. Okay, net rigged on.
Crazy.
Drag was not set. Look at that giant. That's a trophy. Or close to it. Out he's fishing. Man, back to back. Look at the tail on that. This thing been humping. Back to back, man. Chunky rock bass right there. Out he's fishing. Toes, bro. That's another chunk right there. Damn slabs, fool. This peanut butter jelly. They done found the Rockies. Look at them red old eyes. That's a chunk right there. Beautiful looking rock bass. Out he's fishing. Take care of the waters, man. If you take care of the water, it'll take care of you. Every time. Through the chin. Little baby largemouth. Good smallie right there. Third smallie for today. Out he's fishing. Peace and quiet, man.